Hi guys, welcome back to 3 Seconds Math. In this video, I want to tell you how to solve the greatest integer of log base 2 of 11 in 3 seconds with no formulas. Now, I'm looking for two logs with the same base. The log base 2 of 11 is between them. I write something like this. Log base 2 of 11 is between log base 2 of something and log base 2 of something. You know 11 is between 8 and 16. I mean base 2. So log base 2 of 8 equals 3. And log base 2 of 16 equals 4. Log base 2 of 11 is between 3 and 4. In fact, it equals 3 point something. This is decimal. And now the floor of 3 point something is exactly 3. That's it. All right, another example. The floor function of log base 3 of 19. As I said, I'm looking for two logs with the same base, that log base 3 of 19 is between them. I write like this. Log base 3 of 19 is between log base 3 of something and log base 3 of something. So 19 is between base 3 and 27. You know, log base 3 of 9 is 2. And log base 3 of 27 is 3. So this log is between 2 and 3. In fact, it equals 2 point something. The floor of 2 point something is exactly 2. Alright, as you know, math is a set of rules and creativity. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Bye for now.